My Diva has some problems and it needs my attention. I think something is wrong with my internet connection. Welcome to the world of Diva, and today I will show you how you can solve this problem. So we can use this safety pin that comes with the Diva and briefly press on the reset button. So Diva then activates the Bluetooth, and then we have an option to reconnect it to a new network. We can use our app to do so. For this to work, you need to also turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. So we go to the Divas, swipe left, and we see the Edit button with the gray background. Click here, and here you can see the Change Wi-Fi. We click, change the Wi-Fi. Here you can see all of the networks that are available. You can use the one that is already stored on your account, or you can use a new one. And now our Diva is successfully connected to our network. But what to do in the case that this doesn't work? You should think maybe your router is too far and Diva is not able to connect it because of it. Maybe you should think about buying another router and connecting it closer to Diva. Try this, and maybe after this all of the problems will be solved. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.